When you think about 3D printers, safety probably isn't the first thing that comes to mind. 3D printers have moving parts and produce a lot of heat, so Stratasys builds a lot of essential safety features into every F123 Series 3D printer. The F123 Series was designed with an oven, and to keep everything safe, we have a double-paned door and we have an insulated interior oven that keeps these exterior surfaces below 50°C, and that is considered the safe point to be able to touch it. So a lot of these other desktop printers have heated beds that are at 100°C, which is the boiling point of water, and they have extruders that are at 250°C. They also have these moving components that move around that can be accessed from the top or through the front, that you can get pinched, you can get cut, many things can happen with that. With our printers, the doors lock and they can only be accessed once the printer has cooled down and it's safe to access. This is important in all applications, but especially in situations like classrooms or businesses where a lot of people are using and accessing the printer. There's also a top cover lock that makes sure moving components can't be touched or snag clothing during operation. In addition to the built-in safety features, the F123 Series has been through rigorous global compliance testing to make sure it's safe for operation in a variety of working environments. For the quality printing you want, backed by the safety features that you need, the F123 Series has you covered.